national capital would tarnish the nation's image internationally, said Arvind Kejriwal, Chief Minister of Delhi. Organization of Sawan Mela by Asansol Marwari Mahila Samiti. Two NCC cadets of Burnpur selected in state level competition. Myself SitalSingh from News Moment. Welcome you to News Moment English. Subsidence in the village. People migrating. Traffic closed. This part of the news is sponsored by RICIS. The traffic from Aldi village to Niyamatpur has been taken the form of mudslide, due to which the traffic is completely obstructed, due to which the villagers are facing problems in community. They are said that there is a community center, also a few shops after being hit by the storm, and there have been cracks in many houses of the village. Villagers have started fleeing in fear and terror. Some people have been taking shelter in other houses. Earlier there used to be mines, but those mines have now been closed after that illegal mines have been going there. But since 2009, it has been completely closed, but their influence is still there. People have reported it to the administration. Stay with us for more news after the break.
Step in rainbow dresses for all types of kids wear. Bastin Bazaar Mode, GT Road, Asansol.
Rainbow Big Shop. All varieties of ladies wear, men's wear, and suit pieces are also available. Bastin Bazaar, GD Road, Asansol. Contact number 0341 222 1590. Rainbow Big Shop.
Two NCC cadets of Burnpur selected in state level competition. This part of the news is sponsored by TVS PSG. From Burnpur, according to Sujit Sen Gupta, Cadet Pooja Gupta of Burnpur Girls High School and Burnpur Boys High School cadet Rahul Karmakar was recently selected for the state level rifle shooting competition organized by NCC. Both the 10th class students were given rigorous training by 10 Bengal Battalion of NCC National Cadet Corps. Asansol last May 14 to June 22nd at the Asansol Rifle Club, and then from June 26th at the camp for 10 days, which is known as Thalsena. The camp was given in Bardhaman as part of the joint annual training camp. Sushmita Rai, CGM P&A of SAIL ISP, said NCC has an opportunity to reach this level of partnership. We are extremely proud of both cadets for taking advantage of this opportunity. Stay with us for more news after the break.
Please step in. Hind Cosmetic, Supermarket, First Floor, Asansol, 713301.
Products are Biotic, Garnier, Everyouth, Nivea, Sahnaz, Mammoth, O3 Professional, Lotus Professional, Patanjali, Jobis, Nature's, Men's Glow, Plum, M Caffeine, VLCC, Good Vibes, Ola, Fame, Auxilic, Radha, Sugar, Lakme, Veblen, Lotus Color, Ponds, Silk, Matrix, L'Oreal, Bella, etc.
Our contact number is 9126767709.
Gangster Aman Singh, Raju Jha. There will be an inquiry into the murder case. This part of the news is sponsored by Hillview Hospital. Dhanbad's notorious gangster Aman Singh may be questioned in the murder of Silpanchal businessman Raju Jha. It is believed that his operative played a role in this murder. Last April 1st, Raju Jha was killed in Shaktigarh in Bardhaman. The blue car used by the killers in the incident had gone to pick up the Supari killers from Jharkhand. There was revealed by the CCTV footage obtained by the police from the toll plaza in Jharkhand. According to police sources, after viewing various CCTV footage from Jharkhand, investigators have confirmed that the killer shot Raju Jha in Shaktigarh in the same car that had come from Jharkhand earlier that day. The matter is being investigated that who was in that car, who gave betel nuts to the killers. The vehicle is currently in Shaktigarh police station. Stay with us for more news after the break.
Priya Cosmetic, near Minar Cake Shop, GT Road, Asansol 1.
আমাদের শপের নাম আসানসোল প্রিয়া কসমেটিক্স। আমাদের শপ হচ্ছে মিনার কেক শপের ভেতরে। আমাদের শপে সমস্ত রকমের কসমেটিক্স প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাভেলেবল আছে, যেমন মেবলিন, কালার বার, সুগার, ল্যাকমি, প্লাম, লোটাস, এছাড়াও সমস্ত রকম প্রফেশনাল প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাভেলেবল আছে। আর আমাদের দেখুন নাম্বার দেওয়া আছে এখানে, এই নাম্বারে কন্ট্যাক্ট করতে পারেন। আমাদের হোম ডেলিভারি প্রোভাইড করা হয়।
Our contact number 9563404288 and 8918940868.
Vande Bharat on saffron color. This part of the news is sponsored by Motion. Inspired by the Indian tricolor, it will be painted in saffron. The announcement was made by the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav during his sit in the Integral Coach Factory (ICF) in Chennai. It is mentioned that the new Vande Bharat Express will have several improvements over the various models, including faster and quicker handling, better energy efficiency, and more comfortable seats. Also, the train will be equipped with many modern facilities like Wi-Fi, CCTV cameras, and LED lighting. Stay with us for more news after the break. City Montessori School recognized 100% smart class, computer lab, library, separate lab for physics, chemistry, math, and biology. Children Park. For admission, please contact the given number. Organization of Sawan Mela by Asansol Marwari Mahila Samiti. This part of the news is sponsored by Educational Hub. From Asansol, according to Ankit Srivastava, Sawan Mela Monsoon Entertainment Fest 2023 was organized by Asansol Marwari Mahila Samiti on 13th July at Asansol Club. It was inaugurated jointly by Asansol Municipal Corporation Chairman Amarnath Chatterjee, Asansol Chamber Advisor Naresh Agrawal, and other guests. Senior functionary of the committee, Madhu Dumrewal, and President Nidhi Pasari said that Sawan Mela Monsoon Entertainment Fest 2023 is a fashion and lifestyle exhibition in which various stalls have been installed. The fair features fashion shopping, entertainment and game zone, food corner, free lottery coupons, children's activity, fancy dress, painting, gifts and various prizes. Through this fair, Asansol Marwari Mahila Samiti supporters empowering women entrepreneurs and small scale industries. It includes designer rakhi, clothes, jewelry, handicrafts, gift, home decor, bakery items, and other textiles. During this, Rekha Gandhiwad, Gunjan Agrawal, Poonam Goyal, Silky Maskara, Nirmala Gutgutia, Ranjana Agrawal, Rachna Makharia, Chitralekha Makharia, Sneha Kemani, Rashmi Agrawal, Sonal Gadhiwan, Vandana Agrawal, Joshni Jalan, Meenakshi Agrawal, etc. were present. Stay with us for more news after the break.
Admissions open now at St. Christopher Mission School, run by Unlimited Society affiliated to CBSE Delhi. Special features are low affordable fee structure, smart class, well-trained teachers, indoor-outdoor games, transport facility, co-curricular activities, classes from nursery to 12. It's time for your child to explore the creativity. Thank you.
Statement that he did not organize that meeting. This part of the news is sponsored by SK Infocom. Father of iron merchant Imtiaz Burnpur, Hazi Farid Alam, to have a meeting with the mother accused. A new twist has come in the case of photographs. Krishna Prasad, a social worker from Asansol, who had a meeting with the two accused, Mahesh Sharma and Rajkumar Sukla, released a video a few days ago and clarified that the meeting was sponsored by Kundan Singh, a resident of Burnpur. But now Kundan Singh has come to the media and has given this statement that he did not organize that meeting. Krishna Prasad has been accused of outright lying. However, he does not know what is his motive behind it. Kundan said that Krishna Prasad is trying to frame him since he was dragged him in the case he has lost sleep. People are following him when he exists. Their lives are in danger. Kundan told the media that he is very scared about this incident. He said he is suspected of killing himself. Stay with us for more news after the break. Rekha matching. Please step in for all kinds of colorful matching poplin rubia, fancy dupattas, other fancy dress materials. TP Market, Asansol. For more information, please contact 96356400 or 17006. Hyderabad, Ravsal, Hyderabad. Express at Pedapalli Station. This part of the news is sponsored by Sign Academy. Asansol, 1 minute stoppage will be provided to 17005 or 17006 Hyderabad Raxaul Hyderabad Express at Pedapalli station on an experimental basis. 07005 Hyderabad Raxaul Express will arrive at Pedapalli at 2:34 hours and will depart at 2:35 hours from 14th July 2023. 17006 Raxaul Hyderabad Express will arrive at Pedapalli at 14:59 hours and will depart at 15 hours from 17th July 2023. Stay with us for more news after the break. B&M Coaching Center, Cantinpara, Shamban, Banpur. BA, BCom, BSc, MA, MCom, MSc, BBA, MBA, MCA, BCA. For more information, please contact the given number. Assistant Loco Pilots and their families in Asansol Division. Asansol, an interactive session with Loco Pilots or Assistant Loco Pilots and their families were organized in the Asansol Division. The session was attended by approximately 40 staff and their families. Discussion regarding their duties and problems associated with it were done in detail. After running, staff have irregular schedules of duties. Their family play an important role in ensuring proper rest to loco pilots or assistant loco pilots while at home, and also having them perform their duty free of tension as to ensure safe operation of trains. Discussion were also held on the ways to enhance quality of rest at home so that the loco pilots and assistant loco pilots feel themselves fresh and fatigue free. To complete their duties, staff were advised to have their proper rest and also ensure that they are in good health for attending the call of duty. They were advised to change their lifestyle so as to have more personal interaction and proper rest rather than engaging in extra activities which undermine their rest period. A balance of good food habit, entertainment, physical exercise, yoga, etc. in their lifestyle was advised to be adopted. Families of loco pilots or assistant loco pilots also gave some suggestions for improving the quality of rest, which will be taken care of by the Railway Administration. Stay with us for more news after the break. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes from class 8 to 10, 11 to 12, graduation, honors and program. For more information, please contact the given number. Flooded national capital would tarnish the nation's image internationally, said Arvind Kejriwal, Chief Minister of Delhi. According to senior reporter Santraj Prasad, Delhi, after the water level in Yamuna crossed the all-time high mark, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has requested Home Minister Amit Shah to ensure the release of a limited quantity of water from Haryana's Hathni Kund barrage. In a letter to Home Minister, CM said that the water level of the Yamuna River reached the mark of 207.55 meters, breaching its all-time record of 207.49 meters, set in 1978, and the city could be flooded any time. The water level in Yamuna is not increasing due to rain in Delhi, but is up continuously because of release of abundant water from Haryana's Hathni Kund barrage. I request you to ensure the release of water in limited quantities to control the further swell of water level, said Kejriwal. Kejriwal said that in coming days, Delhi would host G20 meetings and a flooded nation capital would tarnish the nation's image internationally. Stay with us for more news after the break. DK Lal sir, want to be a doctor? Hold the hands of an expert. For more information, contact the number. BJP is fighting 2023 Chhattisgarh polls without CM face. The BJP has announced on Sunday to contest the 2023 Assembly polls in Chhattisgarh without declaring a chief ministerial candidate. It is being seen as the setback for former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister and BJP National Vice President Dr. Raman Singh by both political observers and a section of BJP leaders in the state. Some state BJP leaders, including Singh, loyalistic, are trying to explain it away as a decision by the party's central leadership and part of the BJP's organizational policy that has no connection with Singh's position in the party. A few leaders admitted on conditions of anonymity that the announcement does not bode well. The former chief minister, whose position received a jolt from BJP's loss in Chhattisgarh in 2018 assembly elections, the announcement of the party contesting in 2023 state election without revealing a chief ministerial candidate came from the BJP's national secretary and Chhattisgarh in charge, Dr. Purandeshwari. Stay with us for more news after the break.
Like, share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830.
SMS of the moment. One can mistrust one's own sense, but not one's own belief. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon